Alright, so name Nicholas Wilson, the head coach of the Cedar Academy football team.
All right, Mr. Wilson, a tough defeat today. I can see that this squad is really stretched. A thin squad, extremely thin squad. What do you think about the team performance, knowing that you have brought on some young players? I can see from where I was. What do you think about the team performance today, and what is next to look forward from Cedar Grove Academy?
Well, yes, you mentioned that we have a thin squad. For the entire season, we've only played with 14 players. So to play almost 10 games with 14 players says a lot. My squad is extremely tired, extremely burnt out, but they're putting up their best, and that's all I can ask for them. The game today, as you can see, the better team won. Jamaica College is a powerhouse in football, and the Cedar Grove Academy is a team that you call the Minnows. But we put our best foot forward. I can't be nothing else but proud of my boys.
What next to look forward for next year? See the exposure of the younger players. Will this be a platform now for the younger players to step forward in next season and getting that experience?
Definitely. Many of my boys are, well, as you can see, the last two that I brought on are 13 and 14-year-olds, and I'm expecting them to do well come next season. But we want to take it one game at a time. We have another one on Saturday. We'd definitely love to go into double digits and get those 3 points against Holy Trinity. I mean, as I said, this is the first time the school has gotten so many points, and I only can be proud of them.
All right, coach, and well done, and see you guys next year again, yeah?
Yeah, man, thanks.